In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from all workshop items for a game on Steam. If you've subscribed to a lot of mods or workshop content for a specific game and want to clear everything out at once, Steam gives you a quick way to do it. This is useful if you want a clean setup, if your game is having issues with mods, or if you simply no longer want any of the subscribed workshop items attached to that game. To begin, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your games are listed, and it's the easiest place to access the game whose workshop subscriptions you want to manage. Once you're in your library, select the game. Make sure you choose the exact game for which you want to remove workshop items, because this process only affects subscriptions connected to that one game, not your entire Steam account. After opening the games page in your library, look for the workshop button and click it. This will take you directly to that game's Steam Workshop page, where all community-created content for the game is organized. From there, go to your files and then choose Subscribed Items. This section shows everything you're currently subscribed to for that game. If you've downloaded a lot of items over time, this page can be a helpful way to confirm that you're in the right place before removing anything. Next, click Unsubscribe from All. This is the key option that removes every workshop subscription for that specific game in one action, which is much faster than manually unsubscribing from each item one by one. If Steam asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the action. Steam will then remove all workshop subscriptions for that game. Depending on how many items you were subscribed to, it may take a moment for everything to update. One important thing to keep in mind is that this only unsubscribes you from the workshop items. In some cases, the game or Steam may need a little time to fully sync changes, so if you don't see the result immediately, give it a minute and refresh the page if needed. And that's it. Once the process is complete, you'll no longer be subscribed to any workshop items for that game. If you ever want them back, you can return to the workshop later and subscribe again to the specific items you want.